Alright class, today we are learning math.
Alright, who just burped?
What?
Caillou, we all know it was you.
I agree with Leo. Caillou, how dare you burp in my class? Go to the principal's office right now.
So Caillou, is there a reason why you're in my office now?
I burped in class.
Caillou, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're expelled forever. Get out of here right now and never come back.
Whoa. Caillou, how dare you burp in class, and how dare you burp in general? You know damn well that burping is illegal in Vian City. That's it, today is punishment day. First punishment, taking a -100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 degree shower.
It hurts.
Ow, that was so cold.
For your second punishment, we are going to need Gilbert. You may be wondering why we need Gilbert for this second punishment. Well, for your second punishment, you will have to eat Gilbert.
No, I don't want to eat Gilbert, please. Let's just forget this ever happened and return back to before this chaos started.
No, there is no going back. The only way to do this is a punishment day. Also, Gilbert is your friend, and that's a crime on its own. Now eat him or else you will get additional punishments.
No, he was my only friend, the only thing I have still. My life is pointless.
Third and last punishment, taking a bath, but not any ordinary bath. It has acid instead of water in it. But beforehand, I just want to give you some exposition. All of your crap shows depict me loving you with all my heart. Well, that is a lie. I hate you. I always hated you. You have a stupid name. You are bald, and I think that's a crime. I had to kill Doris, Rosie, and all of your family because of you. You ruined my life. Now it's time to die. Any last words to say before you die? Yay. Hey, Caillou is dead. Now life can go back to normal.